Hello, in this video, we will be going over the order of operations. Before we try to solve a problem, let's look at the order written on the left side of the screen. You start by working the part of the problem that is inside of the parentheses, then you do any exponents, then you do multiplication, division from left to right, and then you do addition and subtraction from left to right. Let's take a look at this problem. As you can see, we do have a part of the problem that is inside of the parentheses. Right there. And as we can see on the left side of the screen, we want to do that part of the problem first. So, if we rewrite the problem, we get 3 times 5 plus 3, which is 8. And now we know that 3 times 8 equals 24. Let's try another problem. 30 divided by 2 times 3 minus 4. Again, as we can see, we have part of the problem in parentheses right there. So, as we know, we want to do that part of the problem first. So, that gives us 30 divided by 2 times 3, which is 6, minus 4. Now, we have a division part and a subtraction part. According to our list, we do division first. So, we want to do 30 divided by 6, which is 5. And now we have minus 4. 5 minus 4 equals 1. Now let's try 18 divided by 2 times 3 times 5 plus 4. Now, again, as we can see, we do have something in parentheses right here. So we want to do that part of the problem first. That gives us 18 divided by 2 times 3 is 6 times 5 plus 4. Now, we do the multiplication and division from left to right, which means that first we have 18 divided by 6, which is 3. And then we have 3 times 5 plus 4. Now we do the multiplication first. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 plus 4 equals 19. Let's try one last problem. 3 squared plus 2 times 4 divided by 2. Again, we have part of the problem in parentheses, so we will do that part first, giving us 3 squared plus 2 times 4, which is 8, divided by 2. Now, next we have exponents. And in this problem, we do have an exponent. So we want to simplify that next. 3 squared is 9. So we have 9 plus 8 divided by 2. Now we have to do the division next. So we have 9. This part is the division. So we have 9 plus 8 divided by 2, which is 4. And that equals 13.